Do you got scissors?
Right there.
Okay.
I'm prepared.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we put this in the video?
No.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. I'm here in the house right now, just hanging out. You know, breaking shit sometime. You know what I mean? Just, you know, if I'm not fixing something on my car, I broke something. Now, let me say, I don't break that much stuff on the car, honestly. I barely break things, honestly. This is like one of the first times I've ever like damaged something on my car. But anyway, so I got one package I know for that, and I got two other packages. One cosmetic and one that's gonna be, I would say drivability, you know what I mean? So anyway, we're gonna do some unboxing. It's cold as heck again outside today. So I ain't going out there. I'm not doing it in the garage. I'm not going outside. So you guys are gonna see me in the house opening some packages. So let's get to it right now. First up, we're gonna have, got my trusty scissors already. Let's open up the part that I broke. They sent it in a big old box. And wait till you how small you guys see this thing is. I was like, what the hell is this box, man? Like, come on. They had me gassed. Well, they had my wife fooled thinking it was something else. They had me gassed thinking it was something else too. But really? That size box for this. Come on, man. Anyway. So basically, before I even open it, so what happened is, you guys will see the next video, I'm gonna repair it. Pretty much I loosened up my air suspension at a certain spot, and I guess I damaged the plastic on it. So I had to order a new fitting that goes for the airline. So there it goes right there. So this is pretty much gonna go for the airline, and it's this part right here is where I damaged. So we'll figure it out. We'll get it all back together. But that's it, simple. So we're gonna fix that probably tomorrow if it's nice outside. All right, next up, you know what, we're gonna do the let's do the drivability stuff. Shout out to FCP Euro. Hey, I wish there was a sponsor to the channel. Real talk, that'll be dope. But they not. Sorry, let me get back in frame. Soon enough, though. Soon enough. Let me pull this chair out, yo. Damn, man. Right. One day, FCP Euro gonna be like, yo, garage driven, man. We got this for you. We got that for you. All right, so pretty much this is gonna be for the E-Class again. It needs motor mounts. It needs transmission mount. So I don't know which ones I need. Honestly, I ordered both. So this is the transmission mount. And that to the side. Damn, they taped the engine mount boxes, bro. Man, leave it in the comments below, man. How you guys doing today, man? Everybody all right? Motor mount. So, left, right. I'm just making sure everything is there. Everything looks good. That looks good. I just want, honestly, I like my cars to drive perfect, man. So anything wrong, I fix immediately. I don't play around. So I actually bought the car. I purchased the car knowing it needed engine mounts. When I test drove the car, that's the first thing I told the sales dude, that it needed engine mounts. All right. So we got the engine mounts. But yeah, I don't like my cars to drive trashy at all, man. Yo, you riding my cars or you drive my cars, it's gonna be smooth. Next thing we have, this is what I've been waiting on. You know what? We might have to take a trip outside. We might have to take a trip outside, y'all. Y'all got to come with me. And my wife is in the room. Guess who's gotta come too? She does. She gonna hold the camera. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I done made a mess. So this is the trunk spoiler for the E-Class as well. All right. So So we're gonna go outside and get this fitted on there. But like I told you guys in 2 videos ago, I was not gonna install this yet until I have the pieces I want for the front, because you don't want your car to look off balance. You know what I mean? Too much aftermarket parts on the rear, not enough on the front. So we're gonna make sure that, like, yo, it's a balance. All right, the car's gonna look balanced, and then once everything is done, everything all together, then maybe we can do some wheels. Right? Yo, leave it in the comments below. Tell my wife, yo, let him get some wheels. Let him get some wheels. Drop the comments below, man.
I don't think that's gonna help your case.
She said that's not gonna help my case. I know it's gonna help my case, man. Do it, do it. All right, let's take a trip outside. My wife gonna come outside right now too. So, come on, babe, let's go. Oh shit, almost broke that. All right, you could just Oh, you don't even know what you're doing.
No, I don't.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh my God! First of all,
I thought it's supposed to do it itself.
you turned it off.
How was I supposed to? Maybe you turned it off.
No, I didn't.
You have sausage fingers.
No, I don't. Look, yeah, you turned it off. You must have held the button. We're having gimbal issues every day, all day over here. All right, let's go on out. Check this out. We're gonna test fit this right now. All right, show them the back of the car when it's off. You know what you're doing?
No.
You don't. All right, that's what it off. All right, come in the back. Come right in the back, babe, like directly. I think you're tilting it. That's your problem. Tilt it back, down. There you go.
Listen, I'm not here for an educational class on your gimbal.
So this is what it's gonna look like. Oh, don't want to drop it. Oh. What if it falls right now?
Then you better dive.
10 times better. Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Looks alright.
Drop it in the comments. Let me know if y'all think that's gonna look sick. So soon enough we're gonna have it installed. After my wife let me buy the rest of the parts I need. She's such a good wife. She lets me buy anything I want. Alright. Well, let's head back inside because it's cold as shit.
After you.
Listen, man. Why drop this spoil on your head? Alright, it's cold, man.